Here are some distinguishing features of leeches that can help with identification. 1. Body shape. Leeches have a flattened, elongated body shape that is wider in the middle and tapers at both ends. 2. No legs. Leeches do not have any legs, but they have a sucker at each end of their body that allows them to attach to surfaces. 3. No eyes. Most leeches do not have eyes, but some species have simple eye spots that can detect light. 4. Segmented body. Leeches have a segmented body. They have both male and female sexual organs, hence called hermaphrodites. 5. Mouth and anus. Leeches have a mouth at the front end of their body and an anus at the back end. 6. Size. Leeches can vary in size, but they are typically a few centimeters long. 7. Habitat. Leeches are found in freshwater environments, such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. They are also sometimes found in moist terrestrial environments, such as rainforests. 8. Feeding behavior. Leeches are bloodsuckers and feed on the blood of other animals. They have an anticoagulant in their saliva that prevents the blood from clotting, allowing them to feed for an extended period of time.